morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, first things first, the 6.0 is done. Well, for right now. I hope y'all enjoyed the little edit that I put together. Mind you, I don't do very many of these, so if it sucks, let me know. If you have any ways I can improve it, let me know as well. But anyway, like I said, the truck is done. The lift is on, the wheels and tires are on, frame's painted, suspension's powder coated, new shocks all the way around, bumpers back on, powder coated tow hooks. So I figured I'd kind of show you all around and go through kind of what all we've done so far. So in the last couple months, y'all know we did build these custom headlights. We got those in, clear reflectors, painted bezels, daytime running lights, automatic, wired up to ignition. So I like those headlights, I really do. But got those done. We just got done painting the frame on the truck. Got it all painted up. Got the front axle painted up as well. Everything looks all nice up under there. Y'all seen as well the powder coated lift kit, the powder coated factory springs. This is a 3-inch rough country lift. Again, powder coated. It's a 2-stage powder. We did ultimate chrome and then candy purple over the top to give this color. Now, one thing I will say, I wish it was a little bit brighter. That way it stuck out a little bit more, but it is a very, very nice color. And then for wheels and tires, we went back with the 20-inch 2016 platinum wheels that I had on the truck year and a year ago, something like that, with brand new Maxxis all-terrains. These are 35, 1250, 20, and a 12-ply tire. Again, I mean, y'all see them, they're brand new. We just peeled the stickers off of them yesterday when we finished the truck. In the rear, I will say, we did not put the lift on the rear. We also didn't get to paint the frame, but it doesn't look bad back here either way. But did get the new shocks, and we didn't do the rear lift because this truck does have airbags. So all I would have to do is come around to the back, air the thing up if it's a little too low, or what have you. So I will actually, I'm gonna hop in the truck real quick, and we did get the truck clean as well. It's already dirty from driving it. Everything's still kind of wet from all the rain, but that'll be in the next video. I'm gonna hop in here, that way hopefully we cut out some of the wind noise, and I'll kind of give y'all a little bit of how I feel about the thing thus far. Also, I did want to go over, like I said, how I kind of feel about the thing thus far. Now, I don't know how many miles, 269, 61. So I'll put probably 200 miles on the thing so far. Now, I'm going to do a more in-depth video, and I'm going to go over everything, improvements, such as that. But I absolutely love the thing. Really, I'm really impressed with it. I love this thing all over again. But I mean, hey, I guess that's to be expected with a new setup. But it's good. And again, I'll make a separate video. We'll go over all that. But I did want to go over something else real quick while we're here. So I'm going to try to keep this quick because it's quite warm in here, and I don't want to roll the windows down because, again, wind noise. But a few things I would like to still do with this truck. Now, I think I mentioned several times I want to do more paint matching. you know, that's a given. I'm not going to say what I want to do what, but I think it'll look really good. So, you know, again, I don't want to, we're not going to go into detail on that. You'll just have to see when you see. But I want to do paint matching. I would like to do a bed liner. I do have an upgraded EGR cooler I'd like to do on the truck. And then, you know, a tune and that kind of thing. And especially now, because with these larger wheels and a little bit bigger tires, the speedometer is a little off. So, you know, with a tuner, you can tune it. You know, you can tune in your speedometer and get it correct again. So I would like to do that eventually. Hopefully, you know, maybe sometime this year. I don't know. But I'd like to do that. I would like to get a new steering wheel, because this is rather annoying. And it's just getting worse. So I would like to get a new steering wheel. So if you'll have any recommendations, drop a comment down below. I thought about redoing this one, but I don't want to have to redo all this stitching to put a new cover on. So I thought about getting a new wheel, whether it be a custom wheel or just a replacement wheel like this. You know, a carbon wheel, maybe get one. I don't know if they make them that has like my 300, where from say this seam to this seam, and the same thing here at the bottom from seam to seam is wood. That would be nice if you could get something that matches the factory wood in here. Maybe, you know, get like a tan wheel. I don't know. Y'all let me know, because I do want to get a different wheel and the correct airbag for this truck, because this truck is supposed to have a badge, like an actual badge here, and not just the raised lettering. This is actually a airbag out of one of those, I think. I don't know that for sure, but that's if I remember right, these are I think 97 to 99 only, or something like that. But I would like to get the correct bag and a new steering wheel. You know, get this old one replaced. That's, you know, it's seen better days. Also, I know it's taken way too long, but I would like to get the headliner finished here very, very soon. I sent a company message earlier today, and they just kind of blew me off. So I'm trying to get swayed. If I can find a company that would answer messages, that would be great. But I have the Starlight kit, so we're going to do black suede with a 450 piece Starlight. We're going to leave these tan. You know, I don't want to mess with the lights and painting these plastics and painting these and all the handles, and, you know, because I have all the handles still in here. So, you know, this interior's is black and tan, you know, all over. So I figured black suede, leave these, that'll look fine. And again, I mean, I don't want to get into, you know, painting these and, you know, mess with these, recovering these visors, because if you didn't know, these visors are 2 pieces. Well, they're not 2 pieces, they're solid here, but they fold them over and they're clipped in with a ton of clips, and I don't really want to mess with that. And again, I mean, this interior is black and tan, so I think a black headliner and leaving this stuff tan would look just fine. And also, I do need to get some new ones of these, because they won't hold lights anymore. So this one is about to break off. The other one from the rear has already broke off, so I need to get new ones of those when the headliner goes back in. We still need to get the AC stuff done on this. I would like to do new bumpers, a new tailgate, a newer model tailgate, and a bunch of other things. So we're not done with this by any means, this is kind of just the start, because I would really like to make this truck like nice. So again, I've said it in a video, I think the last video. If y'all have any companies y'all would like to see me work with, or any certain kind of products, let me know down below in the description. I'd appreciate it, you know. But I mean, again, there's a bunch of stuff still left that I would like to do to this truck. Same thing with the white truck. Same thing with the 300 over there. So I mean, again, we're far from done. And again, if y'all have any companies or products y'all want to see, yep, let me know. I'm down to reach out and work with some companies. And again, I would appreciate it. But anyway, again, also in the comments, let me know, what do y'all think about the 6.0? I know the purple suspension's not going to be for everybody. I know some folks would say you need different wheels, and I get it. You know, I like the wide wheels, but this is the daily. You know, so I don't want to have to worry about all the stuff that comes with wide wheels, if that makes sense. If you know, you know. But I wanted to keep this one nice and kind of simple. We might get a show setup eventually, but for right now, I think this will do us well. So, guys, I guess with that being said, I guess that's a wrap. That's the 6.0. Again, y'all let me know. What do y'all think about it? I love it. I think it looks good. The purple, you know, just gives it a little bit of touch of color into there, and kind of breaks everything up. But, guys, I guess that's going to be a wrap. So, with that being said, I will catch y'all on the next one. If you guys enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day.